To solve for x and y in this set of equations, I'll first of all simplify this equation 1. The reason is because if you notice, the two equations are not expressed in the same form. So to solve with ease, let us first of all deal with this first equation. Now, in the first equation, we have 16 raised to the power of x times 64 raised to the power of minus x minus 2y equals 4. Okay, now what I want to do here is to make both sides to be raised to powers. So if 16 can also be written as 4 raised to the power of 2. So instead of writing 16 here, I'm going to write 4 raised to the power of 2 times x will give 4 raised to the power of 2x times 64 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 3. So we have here 3 minus x minus 2y equals 4 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 1. Now, both sides are expressed in the same way. I'm going to apply the law of indices at this left-hand side, change this multiplication to addition, and add the power since they have equal bases. So, I'll choose one of the bases, and then it becomes 2x plus, if we 3 times minus x will give minus 3x, right? So we have minus 3x. 3 times minus 2y will give minus 6y equals 4 raised to the power of 1. Now that we have this, we are going to expand this power. So plus times minus will give us minus 3x. And then plus times minus 6y will give us minus 6y. Now let's group the like terms. We have 4. 2x minus 3x will give minus x minus 6y equals 4 raised to the power of 1. At this point now, the bases are equal, so we can conveniently equate the powers. So we have minus x minus 6y equals 1. Now we have this expression which is also in the same form with this equation 2. We can then proceed to find the value of any of the variables. Now, our equation 1 is now expressed as minus x minus 6y equals 1, and equation 2 as x plus 5y equals 0. Now, I want to eliminate this variable x. They are carrying different signs. The second equation has a positive x and this first equation has a negative x. So what I'm going to do is to add both equations. If I do that, I have minus x plus x will cancel out. Minus 6y plus 5y will give me minus y equals 1 plus 0 will give me 1. Now I will multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1 and this will give me y as minus 1. Now let's substitute minus 1 for y in any of the equations. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, I sincerely appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you. Now let's substitute minus 1 for y in equation 2. Equation 2 is given to us as x plus 5y equals 0. So if y is minus 1, we have x plus 5 times minus 1 equals 0. This will give x minus 5 equals 0. To find x, let's add 5 to both sides of the equation. This will give us x equals 0 plus 5. So the value of x equals 5. Therefore, when y equals minus 1, x equals 5, and these are the values for x and y respectively. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.